I'm Allie, and I've been living solo in my RV since July 2020. I'm celebrating midlife in my own special way. Good morning. It's moving day, which means I have to do a lot of chores, but I'm gonna hike first. I woke up before the sun rose and I wrote in my journal, and I went outside to put my solar panel away, and it's 32 degrees outside and my hands are so cold even with gloves on. So I might have to wait until that sun actually comes up. The dilemma I have though is I'm going to a parking lot. It's actually up by Snowbowl in Flagstaff. I guess there's ski lifts up there and such, hence the name Snowbowl, right? And well, it's cold and I'm hoping people aren't going out there yet, because it's really hard to park the RV sometimes in places where I want to hike. And that's partially why I feel a little defeated sometimes when I try to hike, because I can't find parking for this beast. But I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna drive up there and see if there is parking for me to hike. And the reason I'm going to this particular hike is because it is literally called the Aspen Trail, Aspen Loop. I think it's called Aspen Lollipop Loop, which, anyway, some of the trail names are so cute and so funny, especially mountain bikers. They name their trails really funny names, like chocolate chip cookie and trash can, beer bottle. So I'm gonna wait until the sun comes up just a little more to get the frost off of the solar panel, and then pack up and get going. Okay, everything is secured. Hopefully nothing will fall that I forgot about and make a big boom. This is the sketchy part. Okay. I'm gonna go around. Yep. Could be a little icy too. Sorry about my windshield. I can't clean it yet because whatever comes out will freeze. This is what happened. I don't know if you can see that. That's what happened when I tried to do the windshield wiper blades. Just froze. And my windshield wipers are messed up. And look, I have new ones sitting right there. All I had to do was install them, but no, I forgot. Good morning, girls. There's snow on Mount Humphreys in Flagstaff. Woohoo! October 18th, 17th. Gosh, I forgot the date. But look, there's snow. So I know sometimes the RV is big and bulky and it takes me longer to get somewhere. I can't always access places, but whenever I get there, I can just have breakfast. I can make lunch, I can make dinner, I can make breakfast. I've got my own toilet. I don't have to use public toilets, although sometimes I do, just so I don't fill my own tank. And I get, well, anybody can do this, but I get beautiful views. I don't mean to brag, but look at all the snow. And the view. And the smile on my face. Look like a crazy woman. It's so beautiful. If you guys know me, I did attempt the Arizona Trail, but COVID took me off in March of 2020. It was pretty early in COVID, so we weren't sure what was going to be going on, but we found out pretty quick, and that was me and my 2 hiking partners. Gosh, I just can't get over the view. And so since then, I've tried to hike sections of it, backpack sections of it, you know, even just a few miles here and there. And I've covered about 200 of the 800 miles. So I can't believe I looked at the trail this morning. I'm like, oh my gosh, part of it's on the Arizona Trail, or I can get to it or something like that. So I'm going to explore that too. Maybe come back up here in the spring, because with that snow up there, yeah, I'm leaving. Oh boy. Okay, not supposed to go that way. Okay. And it broke off. Let's see if you could see both the trails, but there's rocks in front of that one, so that's pretty obvious that you're not supposed to go that way. So I forgot what I was talking about. Anyway, I've been trying to knock off parts of the Arizona Trail. It's not easy getting access to it sometimes in my RV, but I'd like to backpack it again. Oh, this is beautiful. I feel so fortunate. I'm very grateful for my life. Well, it seems the aspens in this area have lost their leaves, and the ones up there have not. So there's a trail that goes up to Humphreys Peak, and maybe I will go do that. But this is beautiful too. It's just not as beautiful. So this is why I'm out here doing what I love. Well, I still can, but I just wanted to make sure that I did the things that I loved and loved the people who I love before it was too late. I know that sounds dire, and uh-oh, I'm getting distracted. Oh, guys, I found the Arizona Trail. It goes right here. Oh my goodness, I need to come back and definitely backpack it. I bet I could outside of Flagstaff for sure. I've done that before. Ooh, my arm's getting tired. Let's walk part of it. It meets up with the Aspen Loop there. I didn't want to put you this way because the sun is in the way. Anyway, I'm 50, and the reason that I said, honestly, I said screw it. I'm gonna buy an RV and go out and live my life. And yeah, I do have fun. I do have fun. I don't have a lot of money. I know that's something that people don't want to talk about. I think I can turn around here. But I don't have a lot of money. But I live out here. I enjoy the outdoors. I do the things that I love. And it makes me a better person. have a smile on my face 99%, okay, maybe not 99% of the time, like 95% of the time. And I smile at strangers more. I love the people that I love even stronger. I hope I'm on the loop. I don't think there were any other options. My life is definitely more enhanced, and I'm just very grateful, very grateful. Right, I'm back, and I changed hats while I was out there, took the goose down off. I still wore my, let's see if you could see them, my pants. Couldn't take those off. So now I'm going to, I don't have much water, but I really feel like taking a shower, at least washing my hair and rinsing off. So we'll see if I can get that going. And I have a lot of errands to run today. Let's go get that done. So I picked up my package. It's right here. It's so exciting. It's oil filters. Exciting day. But I already ate most of it. Oh, I'm eating my hair. But better yet, doesn't feel soft. Let me see. Yeah. It's kind of soft. Like they made it yesterday. At least it was only $1.25. I bet it's yummy. I like soft, ooey gooey cookies. Alright. I'm gonna finish my lunch. But, okay, so I have my pizza. Okay, but I'm balancing it out. Good health versus not good health. Yeah. So this panel lies to me. First of all, the black water, I know when it's full. You can kind of tell when you go to the bathroom. Gray water, that actually is pretty on. Yeah, it's pretty on. It's rarely full. Fresh water, actually it's on. Like it lets me know pretty good. That okay, it doesn't lie completely. The LP gas, no. It says 1/3. It's a half full. And the battery charger is never full. So mostly the LP gas lies to me. It's full of gas. It's gaslighting me. Can't think of any other puns. The KOA Flagstaff. I've stayed here before, and it's nice here. I like it. But I'm not staying tonight. I'm just dumping, and it's $15 for 2 times. So it's buy one, get one free, basically, she said. So that's cool. Let's go get groceries. Got my groceries. Boy, have groceries gone up. Some of the stuff that I used to get, I just pass on, unfortunately. Things that I used to think are, things that I used to, well, that were luxuries. Like I would get lemonade and I didn't get lemonade. I try to make the meat stretch as long as I can, getting more veggies. Of course, I'm eating healthier because of it. What the heck? I still got some candy though. At night I like a little bit of candy, so sometimes a lot of candy. Well, a lot of ice cream, but I passed on the ice cream, wasn't craving it. Home sweet home, guys. It's a rest stop. They have really big spots here, what looked like RV parking, because there was a lot of trucks, the big semis, and I just kept thinking, oh my gosh, I don't want to take up one of those spots. I almost would have kept driving. But luckily there's these big spots right here in front, and I can park here. So I'm gonna get going. It's getting late and I'm tired and I'm hungry. It was a long, long day.